Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD JPY in front of us, and if I zoom out the chart, then we can clearly see that our market is right now consolidating. We all know it very well that there was a huge uprun on the USD JPY chart. It reached the level of 114.50, okay, from the level of 109.75, and right now you can see that market is consolidating, taking rest after this huge uprun. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, and we do not have any clarity or proper picture. You can see that it looks like a choppy market right now. But if we switch to a lower time frame, okay, right now I have switched over to the 30 minutes time frame, then you can see that after switching to a lower time frame, there are certain opportunities that we can avail. Okay, so first of all, you can see that at the bottom we have a support right now. Okay, right now we have a support at the bottom at 113.40. you can see that whenever market is coming down to this level, market is taking support and market bouncing from this level. So if market bounces again from the level of 113.40 like this, you can go for buy, and that is your first trading opportunity. Clear? Second trading opportunity is the level of 113.90. 113.90, because at right now market is in consolidation, so therefore we obviously have a resistance as well. So we have a resistance in the form of this horizontal line at 113.90 level. You can see that this level has been acting as not a very strong, but still acting as a minor resistance for the market. So therefore if market goes up and reverses from the 113.90 level, we can take a sell position. But on the other hand, if you find market breaking the resistance, yes, because just now I mentioned that this is just a minor resistance, so there is a possibility of market breaking the resistance and going up again. So if market breaks the resistance, goes up, then the second resistance is in the form of trend line. So around 114 level, yes, 114, around 114 level, we have a trend line acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. You can see that this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. So if the level of 113 fails, 113.90 fails to provide resistance to the market, so definitely there is a good possibility of this trend line providing resistance. So if market reverses from the level, we can take a sell position. So first opportunity is 113.40. if market bounces, goes up from here, we can take a buy. On the other hand, if market goes up and reverses from 113.90 level, we can take a sell position. On the other hand, if market breaks the level, the next opportunity to short the market is at 114 level in the form of this trend line. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of USD JPY right now. Hopefully you've understood. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.